The purpose of this deployment for training is to work with the Latvian Army and also the Latvian contractors to train and learn how they do things, and they can learn from us also on this project. We're replacing a roof on the school. It's been a challenge the first few days because they're used to doing things one way, but they're learning different ways to do it. Europeans and Latvians, they do things a lot different from the United States, but it's a very rewarding trip for them and experience learning different ways to do roofs and the other parts of the project.
Okay, we're good now.
Most of the airmen that are here at this location are traditional guardsmen, which means they do a weekend a month and 2 weeks a year, which this is their 2 weeks for this year. There's a few that this is a full-time job for them. Some of the airmen that have different career fields, from heating and air conditioning to generator operation, electricians, structures, which is carpentry. But most of this project is carpentry related, so they can cross-train and be well-rounded as an airman, and it helps them further deployments. It's a goodwill gesture toward the Latvians, and this roof is for a school for kids, so it's helping the school and the kids in the community here and building relations between the United States and Latvia.
And do a mission in the future.
It will help them for further deployments, to learn different ways of doing things, better ways of doing things, and maybe break the barrier on communication with the different languages.
What are you doing here?
Okay, right here now I'm EM troop by nature, but here I'm working on structures with the Construction Squadron, and basically what we're doing here on this project right here at the school is doing a roof project.
Good to be here.
Yes, here is very exciting. It's actually giving me a chance to actually mingle with the people here of Latvia, and they have been really friendly, been real helpful. This has been the very first time that I actually did roofing, and the guys here have been real supportive, and it's just been a real awesome time.
All right. Ian.
the rewards of being here it's been a very rewarding experience to be here to actually at Aug, Latvia, to actually help put a roof on the school here for the kids here. You know, kids are our future, and I think that'd be real rewarding for them also. What I do as a traditional guardsman in my civilian job is totally different. Where I work at Crown Equipment, and we actually a manufacturing company that makes lift trucks. And I'm working in the powder coat department, where this is totally different than what I would be doing in civilian world.
I think with this training, it can help me apply a lot of this to the outside world, working on any projects at home, helping a friend out, learning about different types of jobs in the construction, whether being insulation, whether being brickwork or even concrete work. I think being here in Latvia, working with the Latvians, working with each other as a group, because on every deployment you always have a different group, working well with each other, finding out what each other needs to make it more efficient, or what are certain people's strengths and weaknesses and how that can apply to each job. That's another great thing that helps us out. What else? Working with Latvians, we are learning even some of their language. We're working with their metric system. It's helping us, I think, become more well-rounded with measuring and being stronger in the construction field.